So let's say you're a teacher and you've given your students a math test. These are the scores that you obtain. Now you want to find the average score for the math test. You can do this by calculating the mean. The symbol for the mean looks like this. It reads x bar. And the formula for the mean looks like this. And don't worry, we'll go through what each part means. So the top part here is the sum of x. And the bottom part here is the sample size. The sample size. So we need to find these two values in order to calculate the mean. So the first part, the sum of x, can be found by adding up the x's, so the values. This is x1, this is x2, x3, x4, x5, and x6. So we just need to add these together. 9 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5. This gives us 40. So the sum of x equals to 40. The n, the sample size, is the number of values in your sample. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the number of participants. Now we've got everything we need to calculate the mean. We just need to plug these numbers into the formula. So the mean equals to sum of x, which in our case is 40, divided by the sample size, which in our case is 6. This gives us 6.666 and so forth. Now when we report a number, we usually round to 2 decimals. And we can do this by looking at the third value here. Oops. So if the third value is 5 or more, we round up. If the third value is 4 or less, we round down. So if this value here was 4, our mean would be 6.65 because we round this value here down. In our case, however, it's 6, so we round up. So our mean equals to 6.67. The median is the middle value, and to find the median, you have to sort your scores into a numerical list. Just for a second here, we'll drop one of our scores, so we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scores, an odd number of scores. So we would sort these scores into a numerical list. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And to find the median, all you have to do is cross off a number on each end of the list. So we cross off 2 numbers here and 2 numbers here, and we're left with 7. So the median here is 7. Now in reality, however, we had one more score. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 scores. Now if we numerically sort this set of scores, we'll have 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. If we use the same method as previously, we will have no score in the middle. So how do you calculate the median when you have an even number of scores? Well, you have to find the mean of the 2 values in the middle. So, and now remember, the mean is the sum of x divided by n. So the sum of scores divided by the frequency of scores, or the number of scores. So 6 plus 7 equals 13. 13 divided by 2 equals 6.5. So our median here is 6.5. The mode is the most frequently occurring score. And to find the mode, we'll again numerically sort our list. So we've got 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now we need to find which score occurs most frequently. So 5 occurs twice. 6 occurs only once. So that's 7, 8, and 9. So we can see here that 5 occurs the most frequently. Therefore, 5 is our mode. But if we have, let's say, one more score here, so 2 9s, then our set of scores here would be bimodal. So we would have 2 modes. We would have 5 and 9. Thanks for listening.